Okay, I am currently at a commercial place in my town that I have never filmed at before. And this place actually appears to have Carrier units. This is actually pretty interesting to me because Carrier is not very common in my town. So yeah, I thought I'd make a quick video of these units. So yeah, here's a Carrier Gemini unit running. And for some reason, this fan's spinning backwards really slowly. Has a semi-hermetic compressor. It's from 1997, and I'm not sure how many tons it is. I guess it's probably like maybe a 10-ton. I'm not sure though. And then right here we have a Carrier TECH2000 unit. And that unit just turned off. Yeah, this is a Carrier TECH2000 unit. And this is actually the first Carrier TECH2000 that I've ever seen in person. And this unit actually appears to have an ECM fan motor. It's actually pretty cool. This is a 4-ton from 1997. And I would guess that has a Copeland scroll compressor with a sound blanket. And then over here we have two more Carrier units. Here's a Carrier Gemini. Another Carrier Gemini. I think that has a Millennium scroll compressor. And then here's a Carrier base model unit right here. Data's mostly faded, but I think it's a 4-ton from 2007, I think. Has a Copeland scroll compressor. And I don't think this Gemini has a data sheet on it. Yeah. But yeah. And then here's this unit again. But yeah, just thought I'd make a quick video of these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.